Question number 6 asks us to rewrite the following equation in standard form. So we have 3y equals x plus 5. And remember, our standard form equation always takes the pattern of ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are all integers, and a is positive. So you'll notice the first thing is that my 3y equals x plus 5. The variables x and y are on different sides of the equation. In our pattern, x and y are on the same side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x from both sides. That way my x term moves from my right-hand side to my left-hand side. X minus x is 0. And now I have 3y and a negative x. In my pattern, ax plus by equals c, the x term comes first. So I'm going to write that x term first in my standard form equation. So I'll have negative x plus 3y is equal to 0x plus 5. If you'll notice now, my new equation has that same general pattern. I have an x term followed by a y term followed by the coefficient. My x and y, the variables, are both on the right-hand side, the left-hand side. My coefficient's on the right. However, my leading coefficient, the a term in front of the x, is negative currently. And we need to make sure a is positive. So, to make a positive number out of a, I'm going to multiply my entire equation by negative 1. And then I'm going to now distribute that into every one of my terms. So a negative x times a negative 1, that's negative 1 times negative 1. Remember, if there's no number, it stands for 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1, so I'm left with 1x. Negative 1 times 3 is going to be negative 3y. And that's equal to negative 1 times 5, or negative 5. Taking a look at my equation now, I have 1x minus 3y equals negative 5. We're in the right form. We have an ax plus by equals c pattern. Next thing is our coefficients, our integers, are 1, negative 3, and negative 5. Those are all integers. And lastly, a is indeed positive. So my final solution is 1x, or just x minus 3y equals negative 5.